Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to add manager to your YouTube channel. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you have this app on your phone. Whether you are using Android phone or iPhone, make sure you have YouTube Studio on your phone. So if you are using Android phone, go to your Play Store right here. So what you want to do here is to go ahead and click on Play Store. And if you are using iPhone, go to your App Store and then go ahead and click on Search button. Click on Search app again and type YouTube Studio and hit on search, just like so. Then you make sure you download this YouTube Studio app. So go ahead and click on it and download. As at the time of making this video, 100 million plus creators are using this app on Android phone. However, it's the same thing with your iPhone, the same YouTube Studio right here. Download and install it. After a successful download and install, go ahead and click on open, and then it's going to load up an interface. If you are logging in for the first time, you'll be asked to log in with your YouTube username and password. That is your Google account and your password. After a successful login, the next thing you want to do is to see how we can add a manager to our YouTube channel to do some of the stuff in our channel. So for that, what you want to do is to go ahead and click on the profile icon from the top right here. And the next thing you want to do is to simply go ahead and click on settings. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on permissions. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead, click on invite. Having clicked on invite, first thing first, you need to enter the contact Gmail address, the person you want to give information to your channel. Enter their Gmail address right here. Having entered their Gmail address, you can see the Gmail is available. Then you can decide what are the tasks they can do in your channel. So you have manager right here. So you have manager, can view everything, manage permission, go live and create, edit or delete content as the case may be. That is the work of manager. Go ahead and select manager options. Having select manager options, next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on send invitation. Send invitation. Are you responsible for the action of people you give channel access to? The channel access include private content like video and playlist. Go ahead and click on send, and it's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.